Hello everyone, today I will give you a demonstration of Neo4j and how to use it effectively. Neo4j offers multiple ways to use its functionalities. For this demonstration, I will use a local installation of Neo4j and operate through the Neo4j browser. Here is how it looks like when we successfully launch the software. Let's start by creating some sample nodes and relationships. Here's a Cypher script I use. Each create statement generates a node named Alice, Bob, Carol, and Dave, with properties like name and age. The create command with friend indicates relationships between these nodes. Alice is friends with Bob and Carol, and Bob is friend with Dave. Then we could click the play button on the right to display this data as an interactive graph. This graph allows us to drag and zoom in or zoom out to explore more details. We could also use the table view for a tabular representation for this data. Here's the text and code for this data. Next, I will show you how to import data from CSV format. Before we do that, we need to clear the existing data. By using this command, it returns we have successfully deleted 4 nodes and 3 relationships. Then we could use this command to check there is nothing left. And once the data is cleared, I will import data from 2 CSV files. It is important to note that we need to ensure the CSV files are saved in Neo4j's default importing directories. Here's the 2 files I created. Person.csv contains the user data with name and age. Relationships.csv defines the relationships between these users. To import the person.csv file, I will use this command. Then we can verify the data using this command. Here's a full node I have created. To import the relationships from the other files, the command will be like this. After that, we can again check the graph. After this step, the graph structure will match the one created earlier with using Cypher commands. And now let's look at some basic operations and queries we can perform in Neo4j. For example, we want to query in a single node, finding a specific node named Alice. Here is the single node the system returned. If we want to find node named Bob, here's the Bob node. We could also query in relationships. For example, I want to find Alice's friends here, which is Bob and Carol, as we have mentioned. We could also perform more complex query, like finding recommended friends. Here we recommend user Alice with friend Dave. Dave is not the direct friend linked with Alice, but is a friend of Alice's friend Bob. And that's all. Thank you for your attention.